Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed OB-GYNs, midwives, nurses, allied medical professionals, and women from all walks of life, it is my honor to invite you to Women's Journey, a groundbreaking conference taking place on the 12th and 13th of April 2025. This will be the first medical conference open to women in general, creating an inclusive platform to address every phase of a woman's life. The conference will comprehensively explore the challenges women face, from prepuberty and puberty to the childbearing years, including infertility, complex pregnancies, and maternal-fetal medicine in utero surgery. It will also delve into transitions of peri-menopause, menopause, and the unique challenges women encounter as they age. As healthcare provider, we recognize that women's health is not a single chapter, but a lifelong journey, one filled with complexities and opportunities to make a meaningful impact. Women's Journey Conference will bring together leading national and international experts to share their invaluable insights. This unique event will allow us to explore a woman's entire life cycle under one roof at one time and in one space. This is more than a conference. It is a call to action. By joining us, you will contribute to empowering women to live healthier, fuller, and happier lives, even in their later decades. I encourage you to attend, learn, collaborate, and be a part of this historic and transformative experience. Let us walk this journey together. I look forward to welcoming you. Thank you.